Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of this tutorial. And I tested if this works, it works, and if it doesn't work in the future, then I will do a little sprite doing, and yeah. But this time, we'll do it for both of these, and this. So, we want to do a when I receive night 1. We want to switch to costume 1. And yes, we will have a mechanic. I'll show you how to do that in the future of this video. And once you do that, do the same with the rest of these, but this one will be different. This one we'll go over in part 4. But we want to wait. I would say about 12 seconds. And I want to show. Wait. 7 seconds. Hang on, wait, no. There we go. And now that we have that done, we're going to switch costume to costume 2. And also, when I receive night 1, forever, if touching the color, and yes, we'll do this just to make sure. I accidentally turned it into an if-else block. Sorry there. Broadcast dead. And wanna hide. Now, when flag clicked, go to there, and I want to hide. I want to do a night 1 show. This sprite clicked. Broadcast. Kyle. Now, I want to do this. Want to hide. We also want to do a few more switch costumes. You know what? I'll do that. Now receive Kyle. We will do the same thing. Now we actually want to make a jump scare. Yeah, I really had to put that because it's shown as like a sharp line. Now, oh my goodness. I know it's not going to be that scary, but this isn't Scratch. You could expect what we're gonna do. I feel like that's about enough time that I'm gonna get in, so bye. And I'll do the rest of like the enemy AI. So yeah, bye.